the other vehicle, the one of Electoral Commission. I think it is the one where the judge is. The judge
they are going. Is he not this man? The one over here who is going to perform?
Where? And the matter of Electoral Commission.
The what? Which one? This Mugisu journalist you used to work with in the country.
Ojja kujja mu kibuga.